Hi friends, welcome to our garden. We are doing a quick harvest right here. We are harvesting some tomatoes because it's about to rain and we have a lot of tomatoes that are already ripe or in the breaker stage, and we are trying to get them before they get rained on and before they split. So yeah, that's what we've been doing in here. These are all red juice tomatoes behind me, and then over there are a few Cherokee purple and Cherokee carbon tomatoes that we are trying to save right now. These are some of the tomatoes that we have harvested. We already took 2 full boxes to the house. Overall, I think we have over 100 pounds of tomatoes harvested today. And it has started raining, guys, so I need to hurry up and take all of these goodies to the house. These are the tomatoes that we got, guys. They're all mixed up. Green, we have the red tomatoes, we have the Cherokee. So 4 full boxes. Each box is at least 25 pounds. So this is over 100 pounds of tomatoes harvested today. If you're wondering why we have the green ones, we are selling red and green tomatoes. A lot of people like the green tomatoes as well. They fry this, and that's really a good looking tomato. Green tomato. So I'm taking some of this to the produce stand when the rain stops, because we need to restock our table. We need more green tomatoes out there. And then the red ones, they're not ready to be sold yet, but here we have some that are ready. We usually clean this, just wipe them with a damp paper towel just to remove the dirt from them. And look at that, they look so beautiful, so shiny. So we spend the time to clean this. Some of this have been cleaned already. I think the others, we missed some of those because we were in a hurry. We've been sorting this, but yeah, tomato, guys, that's a lot of tomatoes. We got a lot in here. Look at all these boxes and some more here. So I've been trying to move these tomatoes to the basement because it is cooler in the basement, and we can keep them longer that way. Hope you are doing great in your garden. Have a great Labor Day weekend. Have fun and happy gardening.